G'day guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Metrel Alpha EE portable appliance tester. Now inside our packaging we have the Metrel Alpha EE portable appliance tester. Now this has a colour touchscreen, so there's no requirement for any smart device. It has Bluetooth, it can connect to a barcode scanner and printer, and is downloadable as well. Now what comes with the machine as well are two IEC leads. Now one is to run the equipment and charge the lithium-ion batteries. Second one is for testing extension leads, power boards and UPSs and the like. We also have a standard USB download lead to get your data off the machine onto the PC. And we also have the 4mm test leads, so you get interchangeable crocodile clip and probe. Now lastly, within the package you do have the instruction manuals and calibration certificates, so that's for peace of mind. And also this is sold individually or as a print kit. If you have any questions or queries, please reach the office. We'll be happy to help. See you next time.